Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Techful Gadgets. Today, we're diving into three incredible microwaves: the Toshiba Microwave Oven, EC042A5C-SS, the Commercial Chef Countertop Microwave, and the Panasonic Microwave Oven. We'll explore their features, what we love about them, and a few things you might want to keep in mind. Whether you're looking for power, simplicity, or versatility, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Let's get started. I'm super excited to introduce you to the Toshiba Microwave Oven EC042A5C-SS. This isn't just any microwave, it's a powerhouse of a kitchen appliance that's going to revolutionize how you cook. Let's dive into what makes this microwave stand out. First off, it comes with a variety of quick-touch preset cooking buttons, making it super convenient. Whether you're popping popcorn, reheating leftovers, or defrosting your favorite foods, it's got you covered. Plus, it can bake, roast, and even toast. Now, one thing I love about this microwave is its child safety lock. It's a great feature for those with little ones running around the house. However, keep in mind that the convection feature can heat up your kitchen pretty quickly, and it is a bit on the heavy side, weighing nearly 50 pounds. In terms of power, this microwave packs a punch with 1,000 watts. During my testing, it cooked everything thoroughly, from frozen mac and cheese to crispy French fries, which usually come out soggy in a regular microwave. The dimensions are 21.5 inches long, 21.77 inches wide, and 12.99 inches high, so you'll need a fair amount of counter space for it. But trust me, it's worth it. This microwave's buttons are user-friendly and smudge-proof, and the beep is loud and clear, so you'll never miss when your food is ready. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and reliable microwave, the Toshiba Microwave Oven EC042A5C-SS is a fantastic choice. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a fantastic budget-friendly kitchen essential, the Commercial Chef Countertop Microwave. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and inexpensive microwave, this one's for you. First, let's talk about what makes this microwave great. It's super easy to use, quieter than most models, and heats food evenly. Priced just under $100, it's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or any small kitchen space. Despite its compact size, measuring 14.6 inches long, 18.9 inches wide, and 10.7 inches high, it can fit a 10-inch dinner plate comfortably. The controls are intuitive and straightforward. You've got several express cook buttons and the ability to set a custom cook time, which is a big improvement over older models. It features 6 preset buttons for potato, popcorn, dinner plate, beverage, pizza, and frozen vegetable, plus 2 defrost settings for time and weight defrost. While it's slightly underpowered at 900 watts, it still gets the job done. During my tests, frozen mac and cheese was warmed through, but needed an extra 30 seconds to a minute for optimal heat. The marshmallow test showed the heat concentrates in the center, though none of the marshmallows browned after 2 minutes. Overall, if you're after a budget-friendly microwave that's easy to use and takes up minimal space, the Commercial Chef Countertop Microwave is a fantastic choice. I'm excited to introduce you to the powerhouse of microwaves, the Panasonic Microwave Oven. This appliance is a game changer in the kitchen, boasting incredible features and performance. First off, let's talk about power. With 1,200 watts, this microwave cooks food incredibly fast and heats it evenly. During my marshmallow test, every marshmallow expanded evenly, with only a slight burn in the center after 2 minutes. Impressive, right? Now let's dive into the presets. This microwave comes with 5 super useful presets: sensor cook reheat, coffee milk, turbo defrost by the pound or kilogram, popcorn, and frozen foods. The sensor reheat feature is particularly amazing. It detects the humidity level of your food and adjusts the cooking time automatically, making reheating leftovers a breeze. Plus, the popcorn and coffee milk presets work better than any other microwave I've tested. But no product is perfect. The Panasonic Microwave Oven does have a few downsides. The interior light is quite dim, making it hard to check your food while it's cooking. Also, the frozen foods preset isn't very accurate, so you might need to tweak the cooking times. And be prepared to deal with visible fingerprint smudges on the exterior. In terms of dimensions, this microwave is 15.8 inches long, 20.7 inches wide, and 12.2 inches high, making it a good fit for most kitchens. It also includes a child safety lock button, which is a great feature for families. Overall, if you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and versatile microwave, the Panasonic Microwave Oven is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.